Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Maya and I am your English partner in your English learning journey. So friends, today's video is going to be very special and today's video is going to be sweet and salty guys, because here I am going to talk about food. Yes guys, by hearing this word food, we get excited. We love to eat food and nowadays people live to eat food. But it should not be done, guys. Food is our basic requirement. Yes, guys. We eat food to provide energy, to give energy to our body, right? If we will not eat food, you know what will happen to us. You already know that. And friends, nowadays we get so many varieties of food, in all over the world. Okay, in our country also we get continental, lasagna, Mexican, Italian, Chinese, Indian food, right? Our food is the best, I think, guys. And if we travel to different countries, we try their cuisine, right? We love to eat their food. So some people are very interested in trying different cuisines, right? It's their interest. Like they like to eat food so much. Okay, guys, but we should eat food in a right proportion, guys, because if we don't eat food, if we eat a lot of junk food, which is not good for our health, right? So we should eat food in a right proportion, or you can say we should have balanced diet, right? If we don't have a balanced diet, guys, so that what will occur, what changes will occur in our body. So friends, we should have balanced diet. Okay, we should have our food in a very right proportion. We should include each and everything in our food, whether we are talking about protein, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, minerals. Okay, these all are nutritions. So we should get these nutritions from vegetables, milk products, non-veg items. If we don't eat milk products, some people don't like to drink milk, right? So they can have a deficiency of calcium, right? And if people will not eat leafy vegetables, right, if they will not include leafy vegetables, fruits in their diet, then they will get the deficiency of vitamin A, right? So that is why, guys, it is said that we should eat food in right proportion, because these protect our body, from getting sick, from getting ill, right? Then we will not feel sick if we eat good food. Nowadays people have become more aware about their health. They do diet, they do fasting, they go to gym, even even they work out every day, guys, because they want to be fit, they want to look fit and fine. And moreover, guys, we can take a lot of juices, right? Because juices help us in throwing toxins out of our body. But here I would like to add something, guys. Don't deprive yourself from eating anything. We can decide one day, for cheat meal. On that day we can eat anything, right? We should try each and everything, guys, because we have one life, only one life to live. So why we have to deprive ourselves from eating our favorite foods? Okay, guys, friends, our Indian food is getting so much attention in all over the world. In some countries people have named our gulab jamun as dumplings. Yes, friends. But I like to say gulab jamun, when we say gulab jamun, our eyes, we get excited, we get thrilled that we are going to eat gulab jamun. And as compared to other countries, our food is very spicy. We put a lot of spices in our food to make it more tastier. But the people from Western countries, they can't eat our food because it's very spicy, guys. And friends, here I would like to share something with you that nowadays packed food is getting more popular. But I think it's not good for our health, guys. They put a lot of preservatives. They add a lot of different kind of preservatives in our foods, right? In packed foods, which is not good for our health, right? So we should not eat that kind of food. And friends, here I want to tell you something about vegan food, because nowadays it is getting more popular. Yes, friends, vegan food is that food which is plant-based food. Yes, because in this you will get food from plants only. In vegan food we don't include milk products, dairy products which we get from animals, including milk and all, right? In vegan food you just have to eat plant based products. Yes guys, so people are following vegan culture nowadays. It is getting more popular. And if you want to look young for ages guys, then you can try this option of vegan food. Okay friends. And lastly, I want to say that friends, whenever you eat food, it's a tip. Add 1 teaspoon of ghee into it. It will taste more. And my mouth is watering while saying this, guys. So I'm going to grab my thali and my bite. Okay, so that's all for now, friends. I hope you like this video and you like this topic of food. Okay, guys. So if you like this video, then please do not forget to subscribe my channel, which is English Journey with Maya. So I will meet you soon. Till then, goodbye. Take care. Bye bye.